Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie West with West Functional Chiropractic. And we're talking about the things that many people do in order to live a long, healthy life. And one of those things is taking the proper supplements. These are not supplements that you get at Walgreens or Walmart or Target. We're talking about professional grade supplements, things that aren't filled with a lot of junk. And I have a story. Whenever I was practicing in Tulsa, I took an x-ray of an older male gentleman, and when I was looking at the x-ray on the light box, I noticed a little oval thing in the lower bowel. And I got my magnifying glass and looked really close, and you could see letters on it. And I asked him what he had taken that morning, and he said, well, I take one a day every day. And I said, I think you need to go home and throw those in the trash. And I showed him, and it was fully intact in his lower bowel. And his body wasn't absorbing a single bit of it. It was all just going through his body and being excreted out in fecal matter. And it wasn't doing any good for him. And that's the problem with a lot of supplements that you buy in the store. And a lot of people just guess and just take whatever they think they need without a rhyme or reason. And you're really throwing a lot of money away. That's why I don't put patients on blanket supplements. We test and we see what they need to be taking. We see how much they need to be taking, and then we retest to adjust those levels. So don't go buying your supplements at the store. You might as well be throwing your money out the window. You need to find a professional grade brand. We use Metagenics, we use Zymogen, we use Apex Energetics, because I know that when I test before and I test after and I use these products, we're going to see a really big change, because that's what matters, is making a change in patients' lives where they don't feel like they're just throwing their money out the window. Because if you buy it from a big box store, that's what you're doing. And a lot of the fillers, we see a lot of corn and soy-based products that are fillers just to kind of bulk up the capsule or bulk up the gel cap. And it's really not doing you any good, especially if you have a soy or dairy or corn sensitivity. It's just adding fuel to the fire. So please don't buy your supplements at the drugstore. Get them from your provider, get them from your doctor, and get a professional grade supplement. And it'll ensure that your body's using it and you're not throwing your money out the window. And your doctor needs to be doing pre and post testing on blood work to make sure that you're on the right amount, that your body's using it properly. And when they can reduce those things, they need to do that. Because there's some supplements you should be on, lifelong, that you're not getting from the diet because of soil quality or micronutrient quality or absorption for your body. But there are other things that need to be short-term, fix the problem, get off of them, and then you can move on. So if this helped you, press like below, share it with your friends so that they can learn the same thing.